Our pool gets very dirty every morning, and we have a lot of trees around. It just gets really dirty because of that. This is the pool maintenance kit we got, and these are all the items you get. I guess the net, that's the hose extension or attachment to help push out the debris that are on the surface. That's the extension handle and some attachment parts in there. That's the manual, and that is the package. The handle extends out to quite a bit, which is very nice. It covers almost entirely the whole pool. Actually, yeah, pretty much the entire pool. One thing I noticed is these two hole pins are plastic, and if you look in the back, it's a little plastic piece right here. I hope it lasts because these things can wear out over time. But attachment wise, I have no problem. It actually holds very quite nicely. Most of the leaves and debris have been cleaned out with this net attachment, and now to get the rest on the floor, I'm going to use the hose attachment to help clean it out. Once the hose is attached, this is what it looks like. It's pretty self-explanatory. I wished the ribbon to tie in the net had one of those clamp, but you know, hopefully tie doesn't come apart while you're using it. I was able to get quite a bit of the bottom that are hard to get out easily, but I think it really depends on the pressure of your hose and how much water is being pushed through the net. But it did quite a good job, I think.